Welcome! In this video, we're going to code a simple program that draws a pyramid of circles using Tracy the Turtle in Python. This pyramid will consist of 3 rows, each with a different number of circles. Let's dive in and go through the code step by step. To begin, let's look at the first lines of our code. We start by setting the drawing speed with speed 0. This command makes Tracy draw at her fastest speed, so we don't have to wait for her to complete the shape slowly. After that, we write a comment summarizing what this program does. This program will draw a pyramid of circles with 3 rows. This is helpful for anyone reviewing our code, including ourselves. Next, we need to position Tracy to start drawing the bottom row. We use the penup command first to lift Tracy's pen, ensuring she doesn't draw lines as she moves. Then, we set her position to the coordinates, -100, -200, using set position -100, -200. These coordinates will be the starting point for our bottom row of circles. Now we're ready to start drawing. The bottom row of our pyramid will have 3 circles. To do this, we use a for loop that repeats 3 times with for I in range 3. Inside this loop, we use pen down to lower the pen so Tracy can start drawing. The command circle open parenthesis 50 close parenthesis tells Tracy to draw a circle with a radius of 50 pixels. After completing each circle, we lift the pen again with pen up, so Tracy can move to the next position without leaving a trail. The command forward 100 moves her forward 100 pixels, positioning her for the next circle. With this loop, Tracy will draw 3 evenly spaced circles on the bottom row of our pyramid. Now that we've drawn the bottom row, we need to move Tracy up to the middle row's position. We call set position -50, -115 to set her new starting point. Notice that these coordinates bring her closer to the center and a little higher on the screen. This position will give us a centered middle row. In this row, we only need 2 circles. We use another for loop, this time with for I in range 2. The commands inside this loop are the same as before. Pen down to draw, circle 50 for the circle, pen up to lift the pen, and forward 100 to move to the next position. With this loop, Tracy will draw 2 circles aligned above the bottom row. Now we're ready to draw the final row of our pyramid. We use set position 0, -30 to place Tracy at the top, centered above the middle row. This final row has just 1 circle, which will be the peak of our pyramid. To complete the top row, we simply lower the pen with pen down and draw a circle with circle 50. Since this is the last circle, there's no need to move Tracy afterward. With this, our pyramid of circles is complete. And that's it. We've successfully programmed Tracy to draw a pyramid of circles in 3 rows, each one perfectly centered and spaced. This project helped us practice loops, positioning, and using Tracy's drawing commands to create structured shapes. Thank you for following along. Keep practicing with Tracy, and you'll be coding more complex shapes in no time. Don't forget to experiment by adding rows, changing the radius of the circles, or adjusting the spacing. See you in the next video. Ilas.